Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up a Grafana. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up your file explorer, and here I am on my local disk C, and I want you to click on program files and then scroll down here. Now by the way, this is the default path unless you have installed it somewhere else. Click here on Grafana Labs. So here we are, local disk C, program files, Grafana Labs. Click on Grafana, and I want you to back up three things. First, I want you to click on this data folder, and we need to back up this file. This is the database file for Grafana, grafana.db. Now, you can back these up, for example, on Dropbox, OneDrive, Google Drive, or even, on a USB or hard disk. So I want you to back up this one, and also I want you to back up the plugin data. So click here on plugins, and I want you to back these up. You can copy and paste those wherever you are backing these up. And now what I want you to also go ahead and back up. So we can come back here. So we have plugin data, we have the database, and now we need to back up the configuration file. So click here on a configuration folder, this one, and I want you to go ahead and back up this one right here, defaults.ini and sample.ini. These are the configuration settings. So once you've done these, and you will have successfully backed up Grafana, and there you go. That is how to back up Grafana.